Ever heard of a bank with savings rates that crush the competition? Hey everyone! Have you ever stopped to think about how much your bank might actually be costing you? Think about it: hidden fees, minimum balances, and interest rates that barely keep pace with inflation. Let's face it, traditional banks aren't exactly known for putting your money first. But what if there was a better option? An online bank that offered sky-high interest rates, zero fees, and the flexibility you crave? Well, there is, and it's called EQ Bank. Now, here's the thing: EQ Bank might sound a little unfamiliar, and you might be wondering, is EQ Bank a credit union? That's a great question, and it actually taps into a bit of a misconception. So, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into EQ Bank, what it is, and why it might just be the perfect home for your hard-earned cash. So, is EQ Bank a credit union? Alright, let's clear the air right away. EQ Bank is not a credit union. It's actually a Schedule I bank, which means it's federally regulated by the Government of Canada and holds a deposit-taking license. This means your money is insured by the Canada Deposit Insurance Corporation, CDIC, for up to $100,000 per qualified deposit, just like it would be at a traditional bank. Here's where things get interesting. EQ Bank operates as the digital banking arm of Equitable Bank. Equitable Bank itself does partner with credit unions, offering them a suite of financial products and services. So, while EQ Bank isn't a credit union itself, it has strong ties to the credit union system and shares some of the same philosophies, putting the customer first and offering competitive rates. Why choose EQ Bank over a traditional bank? Now that we've established what EQ Bank isn't, let's talk about why you might want to consider it. Here are a few key advantages. Savings rates you won't believe. Let's face it, traditional banks are notorious for offering measly savings rates. EQ Bank, on the other hand, consistently boasts some of the best interest rates in Canada. We're talking about rates that can be several times higher than what you'll find at your local branch. Fee-free banking. Remember those hidden fees we mentioned earlier? EQ Bank throws them out the window. There are no monthly account fees, no minimum balance requirements, and no pesky transaction fees. You can access your money, make bill payments, and send Interac e-transfers all without getting hit with surprise charges. Digital convenience. EQ Bank is a fully online bank, which means you can manage your finances from anywhere, anytime. No more waiting in lines or dealing with pushy salespeople. Their user-friendly online platform and mobile app make banking a breeze. Flexibility. EQ Bank offers a variety of savings account options to suit your needs. Whether you're looking for a high-interest everyday savings account or a GIC, guaranteed investment certificate, with a locked-in rate, they've got you covered. Plus, some accounts allow you to access your money with just a bit of notice, giving you the perfect balance between growth and flexibility. Is EQ Bank right for you? While EQ Bank offers a compelling package, it's important to consider your individual needs. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Limited checking account options. Unlike traditional banks, EQ Bank doesn't currently offer checking accounts. This means it might not be the ideal solution if you need a place to deposit your paycheck and write regular checks. Limited branch network. Since it's an online bank, EQ Bank doesn't have any physical branches. This might be a deal breaker for some people who prefer face-to-face banking interactions. Final thoughts on EQ Bank. So, is EQ Bank the right fit for you? Well, that depends. If you're tired of low interest rates, hidden fees, and the hassle of traditional banking, then EQ Bank is definitely worth a closer look. They offer a secure, convenient, and high-interest way to save your money. However, if you need the convenience of a checking account or prefer the security of a physical branch, then a traditional bank might be a better option. Ultimately, the best bank for you is the one that aligns with your financial goals and preferences. Do your research, compare options, and don't be afraid to switch if you find a better deal. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.